Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of economics of class 9. The title of the chapter is People as Resource. Population is an asset for the economy rather than a liability. It becomes human capital when investments are made in its healthcare, training, and education. Land and capital are made useful by human capital. That's why human capital is superior to other form of capital. Working population of a country, their existing productive skills and abilities are known as people as resource. This productive nature of population helps to develop the GNP, it means gross national product of a country through its abilities. So, it is also known as human resource. When the existing human resource is further developed by becoming more educated and healthy, we call it human capital formation. Investment in human capital. Investment in human capital through education, training, and medical care yields a return just like investment in physical capital. For example, more educated or better trained persons earn higher income because they give higher productivity to their employers. In the same way, a wealthier person can also give higher productivity and earn a good income. Population can be turned into a productive asset by spending resources on education and health for all, giving training to industrial and agricultural workers for using modern technology, providing useful scientific researches and so on. Investment in education and health. Educated parents are fond to invest more heavily on the education of their children. They are also more aware of their children's needs of nutrition and hygiene. A virtuous cycle is created in this case. Countries like Japan have invested heavily in human resources because they did not have adequate natural resources. They import the natural resources needed by the country. They have invested on people, especially in the field of education and health. These people have made efficient use of other resources like land and capital. Efficiency and technology evolved by people have made these countries developed. In the next video, we will discuss about two stories, a story of Sakal and a story of Vilas. And we conclude, we will conclude from these stories, and then Later, we will discuss on economic activities by men and women.